Hello friends, welcome to the GVK Academy channel. Today we are continuing the national and international current affairs series. So let's begin the video. Which hydroelectric project has been awarded the Brunel Medal in August 2021? Magdechu Hydroelectric Project. Who was the Indian flag bearer in Tokyo Olympics opening ceremony on 23rd July 2021? Option C, both of the above. Which country has recently built the world's second largest hydroelectric dam? Option B, China. Which country's group is correct in the first three places in the medal tally at the Tokyo Paralympics? Option A, China, Britain, America. What is the name given to the evacuation mission of Indian citizens from Afghanistan? Option B, Operation Devi Shakti. Which state has recently launched Pink Protection Project for women's safety? Option D, Kerala. Which has become the first state to provide job reservation to transgender persons? Option D, Karnataka. Who has become the winner of ICC Test Championship recently? Option B, New Zealand. What is the rank of India in the World Competitiveness Index 2021 recently released by IMD? Option A, 43. What is the rank of India in the recently released Global Peace Index 2021? Option B, 135. With which country India has conducted 5th joint training exercise Kazin 21? Option A, Kazakhstan. India has recently finalized a deal with which country to buy a sizable number of AK-103 series of assault rifles for the Indian Army? Option C, Russia. Girl Gang has been announced as the official song of ICC Women's World Cup 2022. ICC Women's World Cup 2022 will be hosted in which country? Option A, New Zealand. Where did the Indian Army has conducted the Ordnance Disposal Mission Operation Tiruvallur? Option C, Tamil Nadu. Which state government has launched a 14-day Mask Abhiyan initiative to prevent the spread of COVID-19? Option D, Odisha. Bong Bihu bird count has begun in which of the following state? Option A, Assam. Recently, Principal Scientific Advisor virtually launched a mental health digital platform. What is the name of the app? Option B, Manas. Which country has excavated 3000-year-old lost golden city recently? Option D, Egypt. Which municipal corporation has issued India's first municipal green bonds? Option D, Ghaziabad. Who has won the award for Best Leading Actor at the 74th edition of the British Academy Film Awards 2021? Option C, Anthony Hopkins. Which of the following country has named Noura Al-Matroshias its first female astronaut? Option C, UAE. Believe What Life and Cricket Taught Me is the memorable book of which of the following cricketer? Option D. Suresh Raina. What is the rank of India globally in internet inclusion and gender equality in assessing the World Wide Web Index released by Facebook Economist Intelligence Unit? Option C. 49. Niti Aayog has launched a national digital repository on health and nutrition. What is the name given to this repository? Option B. Poshan Gyan. Gender Samvad event was launched by which ministry? Option C. Ministry of Rural Development. Who has become the first Indian woman to scale Mount Annapurna? Option D. Priyanka Mohiti. Who among the following has been elected as the President of Cuba? Option B. Miguel Diaz-Canel. Kim Boo-kyung has elected as the new Prime Minister of which of the following country? Option C. South Korea. Who is appointed as the external auditor of OPCW for 3-year term? G.C. Murmu. Who among the following has won the prestigious 2021 World Food Prize? Option D. Shakuntala Harak Singh Tilshed. Which state became the first Indian state to adopt an online flood reporting system? Option A. Assam. PM Modi has participated in European Council meeting. Which country hosted the India-European Union Leaders Meeting in 2021? Option C. Portugal. Thank you. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel, like and share, and join the Telegram group. Link is given in the description, where I am sharing the PDF which is helpful for the TSPSC and APPSC, AE and AEE. Thank you.